Simple Mobile Error 16 typically means your device is not properly connected to the network. This often shows up as a network provisioning error or activation failure. The first things to try are simple. Start by rebooting your device. Power it off completely for at least 30 seconds, then turn it back on. This clears temporary glitches and can force a reconnection to the network. Next, use the Simple Mobile app. Version 5.2.1 and later includes an automated tool that fixes this issue in 70% of cases. Check the app for carrier updates too. If those steps don't work, move on to resetting your network settings. If a reboot and the app diagnostic tool didn't resolve error 16, the next step is to reset your network settings. This restores default APN configurations without erasing your personal data. As a last resort, if resetting network settings doesn't work, configure the APN manually. Set the APN to simple and include the MMSC address for MMS functionality. Ensure the SIM card is inserted correctly and your account is active. Verify through the Simple Mobile app or call customer service at 1-877-878-7904. If all else fails, consider a factory reset, but back up your data first to avoid losing important information. Also consider using Simple Mobile's online activation tool for additional support.